What's up, yo? Computer, Foul, Killica. How's it going? It's praise. Sometimes the praise the lake thing is, I'm like, yeah, it's funny. And then sometimes I'm like, oh, I'm embarrassed. It looks like I made an emote that praises me. And I really just needed a cheer emote. How y'all doing? Oh, sorry. We're gonna do some Ghibli today. Some Ghibli. It does look like the thing. Yo, what up, Dental? What looks like the thing? What? Foul. Thank you so much. That that's really kind of you. I don't know why I didn't get an audio alert for it, but thank you. I needed the emote. Wait, no, that emote's you don't need to sub. It's a free emote. Anyone can do it. The only emotes that I put behind are the animated ones, like the tree ones. All right, I'll let you believe that you bought it. There you go. Congrats. Oh wait, I didn't finish. I gotta do something real quick. Hang tight. How y'all doing though? Praise the tree. I gotta log into my office computer real quick. I'm trying to get better at saving my scenes at the end of the day and closing all of my instances of Maya because people pick up my stuff in the morning and I still have it open and I don't know if they versioned up or uh, I just continue working in it sometimes and it's not good. Not good practices. So I gotta save and close, always. Okay, good. Yo, Augie. Yeah, famous Killica. There he is. Right there in the flesh. But like in the text. All right. I want to hit this list. I want to hit this list. And I think I want to do there's a lot of notes about Paul's property. I got to learn how to use this Obsidian deal. Listen, there's only one thing you need to know about Obsidian. There's just one thing. When you type something, like let's say you're typing something and you want to make it a list, you hit Alt L. That's the only thing you got to know. That's the number one best thing about Obsidian. And then you hit it again to check it off. Although I like to click it. I like to click it. That's it. Obsidian mastered. Oh, and then if you want to draw, you're gonna want the Excalibur. Oh God, no! I put this in dark mode. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I swear I put this in dark mode. I must have taken it out. Preferences. Flashbang. Yeah, sorry. I'm bad with that. Extensions, core plugins, community plugins, Excalibur, options, appearance, theme, Match color. Gray. Wait. Huh? I thought there was like dark mode. Zen mode? Where's dark mode? Basic. That's whatever. I don't use it. I'm not using it. Oh no. Come back. Come back, play notes. Was it this? Oh no, where was it? This one. Computer. Exactly like this. Yo, Moss. How's it going? No, you too. Everyone with the praise of the lake. It's just a regular old lake. I did a silly thing. Where is it? I did a plushie post. I did a plushie post with the Unity symbol, the Unity logo. Paste. There. Do what you wish with that post. Anyway. Booyah, how do I force myself to work on modeling? Well, do you have a list of the things you need to model? Just make a list and work on the easiest one. An entire human being? That's not easy. That's why you're not starting. It's just really hard. What are some easier things? Also, computer, you asked and you shall receive. Paste. I need to make Augie a shout out. I need to make Augie a shout out. Let's do that. This is gonna be a real chill stream. Yo, yesterday was crazy. I don't know what happened yesterday, but that was the most viewers that have ever shown up without a raid. Like, I don't know. I don't know, man. Got a little hectic in here. Just want to make a game. I asked for a trailer. Oh, there's no trailer. No. No trailer in that. Vibin'. Vibin', how's it going? Submit. Did that work? Bam. It's going awesome vibes in you. It's going okay. Sorry, we're gonna have a real chill stream. Chill stream. Everyone chill. Gonna hit this list. So let's read them all and let's sort them by priority and then do the easiest ones. Get rid of all the chat indicators on NPCs for trailer. That's easy. That's easy. Easy. I really want clouds in that opening cutscene. Medium. Check why button indicators are visible in cutscenes. Easy. Make sure there's no tree next to Wacky Arm Guy. Yo, easy. Pressing cancel. That should be easy. I'm gonna put him in medium though. Redesign interior. It's not hard, it's just time consuming. Redesign. Model a log cabin for Paul. I'll just make hard. Move cancel button to the right side. I don't know if I even want to do that. It's easy. Move up, hold to cancel cutscene indicator. That's easy. Convert rosebush to be pickup. Easy. Spawn less roses. Yo, easy. Paul's property is janked. Hard. Entering a zone at exactly midnight wreaks havoc. Oh God, what am I gonna do about that? Hard. End of day next button doesn't auto detect or auto select. That I thought I fixed that. That's why I think it's gonna be medium difficulty. No guests should arrive until you complete Stella and Dale's visit. I'm not sure about this one. Delete tree where Jarf stands. Easy. Need to redesign the map. Ooh, that's going to be a hard one. And the butterfly spawn didn't spawn when entering Alpine Meadow. That's because butterflies go away at night, and I forgot I did that. There are no butterflies at night. No guests should arrive. Yeah, I don't know. Okay. So let's just get these easy ones out of the way. Delete tree where Jarf stands. These should be quick. Not enough content to make a trailer? I think you can make a teaser though. Augie, make a teaser. 15 to 20 seconds. 5 seconds of logo. 30 seconds max. Like 15 to 20 seconds of footage, 5 to 10 seconds for your end tag. You know, the thing that says your logo and go wishlist. Coming soon. Make a teaser. It's cute enough to make a teaser. And it might actually be a nice exercise to motivate you because there's absolutely a reason to have it, and you absolutely have enough content to fill a teaser. You'd rather not waste your Steam marketing beat. What do you mean? There's no marketing beat by uploading a trailer or uploading a teaser. Like, you're not gonna you're not gonna blow it. So there was a few things in here. This is where Jarf stands. Let's get this tree out of here. Wacky arm guy tree. Let's get that out of there. Are there any other trees that are in the way or annoying? Nah, all good. Okay, cool. Steam does a push when you add a trailer. Is that true? Is that true? Where did you hear that knowledge? Because I don't know if that's true. I'd rather save that for hyping the demo. I don't think that's true. Purple, do you know? You create your own marketing beats by creating and posting a teaser. There you go. There you go. You're just making excuses, Augie. I know you can do it. Okay. That was 2 things. Save. Delete Jarf tree. Second favorite. What is up? Marketing beat is separate from the Steam push. I want to sync those. I don't know. I don't know. What are you waiting for then? Another year? I wish I did more marketing sooner. Actually, maybe if I did more marketing sooner, I would have quit this game a long time ago. Where's our wacky arm guy? Check why button indicators are visible in cutscene. No. Let's get rid of chat indicators and NPCs for trailer. So the chat indicators. NPC. No. Generic. Nope. Basic. Generic. Basic. Generic. So these things. Thought canvas chat panel. It's these things. Soul Rotiver, how's it going? Not much, just working on my lurking. Just working so I'm lurking. Oh, thank you for the lurk. Second favorite. All right, I think if I just turn the image off. It'll still like do its thing. I just gotta remember to turn it back on. Maybe I need a button to do it. Okay, I'm gonna make a list of things I'm doing to break the game for the trailer. Things I'm doing. Demo game breaking tweaks. Alt L or Command L if you're on Mac. Turned off image visibility for chat indicators. I'm going to leave on the quest indicator because I feel like that says something. The chat, I feel like you don't really know what the chat indicator is immediately. But as you start playing, you realize they have something new to say when you see the chat indicator. I'm trying to get an extra push on popular upcoming with the beat and push. Technically, the first push is publishing the page, but that's already gone. Popular upcoming is only in the week before you launch, and you need 5,000 wish lists to get on there. You're much more likely to get 5,000 wish lists if you have a trailer on your page. I would put one up ASAP. Augie, this is the guy you gotta listen to. This is the guy. He knows. He's done all this already. He has many wish lists, and he knows. Get your trailer up. Get your teaser up. Get something up. Get something moving. And we're only yelling at you because your game will succeed, and we want to see it succeed. And I'm not even yelling at you. I just think you're making a big mistake. I just really want you to have a trailer or a teaser up. Demo is important, yeah, but that comes later. That comes later. Like you can be gaining wish lists every day just based on your trailer. Gaining wish lists just based off screenshots, very difficult. Having a teaser or a trailer, you'll just get more. And the daily resting wish lists over time, they could outweigh your big pushes. So you're just missing out on those right now. All right. Also, what do I know? You do you. What do I know? I don't, I'm just I just want to see you succeed. I want to see everyone succeed. Okay. Get rid of chat indicators. Check why button indicators are visible in the cutscene. Okay, let's do that. So that's in the UI alert. No. Alert. Input alert. There it is. Input alert UI manager. Let's clean this up. So when we get a cutscene, in cutscene, if we're in a cutscene, oh yeah, here. So if toggle and preferences end cutscene and not in a cutscene. I feel like false should always work. It's just the true thing, you know? Else. False. Okay. Basically, yeah, if this is... Yeah, we want to make sure it turns off. Or, no, that doesn't make sense. that... Okay. That logic is not sound. I mean, even so, that's not enough reason for me to just simply throw together a low effort representation of something that is incomplete. I mean, why are you saying it has to be low effort and incomplete? Like, a teaser is a valid thing and you can put effort into it. You just don't want to. It's fine. You should definitely just do exactly what uh, you have the energy to do. So you don't have to listen to us. But you asked before what you should model. And is there anything else you need to model besides a full-on human? Move cancel button to the right side. Do I want to do that? All right, let's move the cancel cutscene indicator so letterbox doesn't cover it. There we go. Maybe I can make an anchor point. Kryptonic plates, how's it going? Welcome back. I'm doing good. How are you? All right, so I have a thing. Maybe someone can help. I kind of feel similarly to Og in that when I think about making a game, I always feel that my perfect idea is in my head, or my perfect idea in my head is too complex for me to execute properly, which deters me from even trying when it might even be a beneficial experience. You're saying you feel similarly to Og, but you're saying to the detriment of what might be for the best. All right, so when I talk to this sign, can I even talk to the sign anymore? No, I took away the ability to talk to a sign. Let's get... Oh, here's Jeff. Okay. I have this UI, right, that brings up these black bars, these letterbox bars. But these letterbox bars are in a canvas. They're in a canvas that is independent from any other canvas. Is there a way to reference that position? I think I know how I can do it. Oof. This sky dome thing is going to really hurt people's eyes. Simplify it, make it slowly. My argument is just, it's too early. I'm just missing one part, that's all. I don't want an incomplete representation of my game, is all. No, that's fine, that's fine. Just keep going. Just keep going. I do have about 80% of what could be shown. Diet. You know what? All right. I'm just going to push up that thing. I don't have the energy right now to like make a floating anchor point, a referenced static anchor point that other things can reference. I'm just going to move on. So demo canvas, contents, window, welcome. No, cutscene progress bar canvas. So this is going to move up 0.1. Yeah, we'll put that here. Or maybe I should put it here. No, that's obtrusive. It's always in the bottom, down in the bottom right. Oh, you know what else I want to do? For the demo, I want animated changing of the day. At the end of the day, I want a fun, cool day change animation. I saw Ova Magica's changing at the day, and I really liked it. It was really satisfying. So it inspired me to make my own. I do appreciate what you guys are saying. Okay. As long as we're all cool, you know. I don't think anyone's like trying to bully you. Just want to see you succeed. Yeah, exactly what computer said. I'm wondering, is it okay to copy code? My goal is to be able to do it without, but whenever I copy code, it feels like cheating. It's not. I mean, it depends on what your goals are. If your goal is to make a game and get it done, copying code gets it done, right? But if you want to like build your skills, you're not doing yourself any favors by copying code. It's really hard to learn the code you're copying if you're copying it. The least you can do is to look at it and physically type it out and understand what each line does before you just throw it in your game. So I would, if you're looking to like level up your skills, you know, just understand what the code is doing before you copy it. That's if you're trying to get better. If you just want to get the game done, yeah, whatever, do whatever you want. I'm not going to stop you. Fair enough. We're all here to support each other. Just know that popular upcoming is only for games launching in the next week, and that the most wish lists, usually 5,000 minimum. So don't count on it unless you have at least that many. Right. Documentation is okay to look at when you are stuck, I feel. Oh, of course. Documentation you have to look at. So looking at documentation is not, I don't think that's the same as copying code. You know, when you say, you know, is it okay to copy code? I'm assuming you're talking about like on Stack Overflow. You have to learn how to read documentation. That's the only way. Most tutorials expect you to copy code, but I feel like I don't learn anything. Yeah. I mean, just when you're watching a tutorial, don't try and keep up. You pause it if you don't understand something, and you look at it until you understand it. And if you don't understand it, then you don't have enough. Either it's not a good tutorial, or you don't have enough prerequisite knowledge to understand the tutorial. So you probably have to find whatever it is that teaches that concept that you don't understand. That's why courses are good, because they're designed to teach you in steps. So just watching a one-off tutorial from one random person, sometimes that's difficult. It's better to find like one of those big chunks start to finish mega tutorials or courses, because usually all the prerequisite knowledge is taught in the course. I was planning on doing a trailer once I have some indoor gameplay to show. If not, it's going to be like a Zelda trailer without showing dungeons. It's true. Yeah. Ask ChatGPT what a code snippet does when I copy something, so I learn. That's a pretty good idea. That's a good use of ChatGPT. It seems like the proper use of AI in terms of learning something with it. Yeah. Good idea. Showing multiple areas is always a good move. Your game is so pretty, by the way. Yeah. Okay, where was I? Move up, cancel. That's done. Let's make sure it's moved up enough. It's a good teacher. I learn so much faster now. That's very nice that you're using ChatGPT to teach you. Most people will use ChatGPT to take shortcuts and get ahead. I think all right, that's definitely high enough. Is it too high? Does it need to be lower? 0.08? Eh. 0.075. No. Learning JavaScript, and I'm always trying to decide when to move to another concept, when to copy, when to reach out to Discord, etc. It's a struggle sometimes, but super fun. Yeah, coding it's incredibly satisfying. I don't understand why it's doing this global illumination thing. It's very strange. Come on. Is this high? All right, that's good. That's good. We're done here. Check that one off the list. Move cancel button. No, not that one. Oh, I already did it. Okay. Spawn less roses and convert the rose bush to hold to pick. Okay, so biome, grove. Biome entities, rose bush. Rose bush. Max in zone is 5. Let's make it 3. My name is Goozy. What is up? Welcome back. I realize you haven't organized your hierarchy. What a mess. What do you mean? These are just all my UIs. The scenes are actually pretty well organized. I got cameras, tutorials, cutscenes, lighting, minigames, weather system, generic systems, game managers, quest listeners and setters, NPCs, UI. And this is just the core elements that are persistent. In each scene, you got the nav mesh and the scene systems, collectibles, warp systems, the actions, terrain, biome information, the inn itself. This is all decorations. No, it's good. It's good. No, I realize. Yeah, so when you open up some of these, like, yeah, this is how many canvases are in the game. This is how many separate UI menus are in the game. It's a very UI heavy game. And then like the pause menu is made up of, 10 more UIs. It's kind of crazy. All right, Augie, we got to get you out of this rut. Got to get you out of this rut. You can do it, man. Yeah. Encoding is cheap as well. Yeah, it's free. It's practically free. Emo Giraffe. How's it going? Thank you for the follow. Welcome in. Ooh, I'm tired today, everyone. I'm tired. You guys wore me out yesterday. First time here. Greetings from Egypt. Welcome. Welcome from Egypt. Welcome from Japan. I'm in Japan. All right, so now there's only 3 rose bushes per scene. And rose bush. Instead of being a click to pick, it's going to be a hold button to pick. What is this? Multi-scene editing? How do you put multiple scenes? Oh, in the hierarchy? You just drag and drop. You can just drag and drop them in. So like, if I get rid of these, unload. Yeah, save. Well, remove. So core scene, literally drag and drop. Now they're both loaded. And then in the game, you need like some kind of scene management system to load new ones asynchronously and unload ones that you don't need anymore. 10:57 a.m. Good morning. Andoryu-san of Nihon. Hi. So if you click a scene, you can just go in it. So, you see this one's a little more bold than this one. There's always one active scene. You can only have one active scene at a time. So set active scene. And the active scene is the stuff when you like make a new object, like create empty. The game object went in here. You can drag and drop it into here if you want. So now it's in this scene. But if you want something, if this is your main scene and you want stuff to go in here, you set it as active, create empty. Now it goes in this one. So you just got to manage what your active scene is, because there can only ever be one, and which ones are being loaded and unloaded. So like my game architecture functions such that the inn always has to be the active scene. Or no, the scene you're in is the active scene. So if you're in the inn, the core scene is always just there in the background. The player's in the core scene. All the NPCs are in the core scene. They're all there. But the main scene you're in, that's the active scene. If I go to like the town becomes the active scene. The inn doesn't the inn doesn't despawn because I always need the inn to be there, but like all games have different kind of architecture. So you just have to manage that kind of stuff. Learning GD script, nice. I see there are a lot of online resources for that language. Yes, and growing. Also, what is that? What is that little badge you have? Raging Wolf Helm. What is that? Also, one thing for multiple device game developers that have been publishing games on PC and mobile. How do you optimize the game without changing much? You could technically use the graphics quality system. So if you go to edit, project settings, there are quality. And I believe you can limit some of these. Like you can say mobile doesn't go higher than high or something like that. Also, why is very high below ultra? Oh yeah, here you go. So you see how I have Windows, Mac, and Linux, dedicated server, and here's WebGL. So I don't know why I have WebGL here, but WebGL should not get these higher qualities, right? It should only get the lower quality. And then you set up your quality settings here, and that's how you do that. Particle raycast budget. What are the differences between these two? LOD bias is the only difference. Whatever. It's fine. Everyone asking about that symbol. Yeah, what is that? I don't know what that is. It's for watching Elden Ring during some event. Oh, okay. Look at all the cool kids. Everyone's got one. What the hell? You need to build everything with scalability in mind. Shaders, particles, etc. Yeah. LOD everything. I'm pretty sure you can also say, like, on mobile, don't use LOD 0. Everything is LOD 1. Stuff like that. Elden Bling. All right. What was I doing? Oh, yeah. Rosebush. Grow rosebush. Growable. Where's the pick rosebush? Stages. I only have one stage. Harvested stage. Oh, right. The base stage is already has flowers. So item picker, events, on player interaction charge. There we go. Done. So show charge event. Take. Done. So now you got to hold down the button to harvest roses, which everything in the game is like that right now. So this was the only thing in the game where it was like click to pick. Oh, wow. Vixia, how's it going? Thank you for the follow. How are you? Welcome in. Is there any way to preview quality? Yeah. In that same menu. Where was I? When you click through them, it changes the preview to it. Where is it? Project settings. Going good. How about... I'm doing good. I'm doing good. I'm going pretty slow. Yesterday's was nuts. I'm trying to go really slow today and not feel the pressure. But yeah, if I click through these, it's hard to see because my game is so low. Sorry for the flashbang. It's hard to see because my game is so low res anyway. But like, you see how when I go from ultra to low, the textures get all fuzzy. So just clicking them and highlighting them changes. Meeting time. Be back soon. All right, computer. Enjoy your work. You also need to profile on each hardware platform to know what's really going. Yeah, you got to do that. Slow days are good. Winding down, very necessary. Yeah. I kind of have a headache. From yesterday. I'm just trying to hit this checklist today. So convert rosebush to behold to pick up. Done. Spawn less roses. Done. Check why button indicators are visible in cutscene. I did that already. Boom. I should test it though. Yeah, let me test it. All right, I'll test it. Also for transparency material issues, for some reason, some 3D layers, if you have multiple transparent materials on top of each other like that bush, it just looks like a PowerPoint slideshow with the different objects with the same transparent material. How do you get rid of effectively remove that effect? What do you mean by a PowerPoint slideshow with the different objects? Like the Z fighting? Your first raid yesterday spiraled into such a fun and chaotic stream. I love it. I love it too. I love it when that happens. It literally gives me a headache when I get all energetic. Like I watched the VOD yesterday to find clips for YouTube. And yeah, I'm like a psycho running at a mile a minute, and it's draining. It's draining. I'm not like you youngins. Even though yesterday I said I was gonna pretend to be young. Oh wait, I missed it. Oh wait, actually no, the indicators aren't here. Do they come back? They do. Okay, we're done. Okay, move cancel button to the right side. I'm not gonna do that right now. I don't want to. I really want clouds in that opening cutscene. Okay, let's see if that new sky shader we made yesterday can support clouds. Let's just check it out. Sky dome. Like the object with the material appears on top of others in front of them. Oh yeah, Goozy. That's a tough one. When you have multiple transparent things in front of each other, you never know what's gonna happen in Unity. Just try not to. This is why, like, these are the trees I made. And they are not, there's no transparency because I know Unity has problems with transparency. So these are all geo. That rose bush, that is from a pack that I probably need to remake eventually. So I'm trying to not have transparent stuff. I don't know how to fix it. And it's not great. All right, so I had a cube map of clouds that was like good to go. It just didn't work in that shader. Will it work in this shader? Let's see. Let's see. Create node. Cube. Sample cube map. Create node. Cube map asset. Cube map stars? Wait, where are the clouds? Oh, I had stars, not clouds. Well, let's see if the stars work. Let's see if the stars work. So I just want to add them on top, right? Ooh, it is pouring out, and I absolutely love it. I love rainy days here. They're amazing. So let's save. Go back to the game. Love the rain. IPO, how's it going? Even alpha clipping won't fix them. Alpha clipping usually is better than like straight transparency. Clay! What is up, Clay? Guys. I get excited when Clay comes in here. Sometimes not as excited as I should. But there were some other people that showed up before that I need to acknowledge. We gotta get some computer love going. Guys, so computer, who just left to do a work meeting, is making this game called Quizzard's Domain. And it's like a Smash Brothers style quiz game. And it's incredible. Pub quiz meets pub brawl, where questions get asked and you fight to get to the answer. Wishlist this. Wishlist it right now. And then when he gets back from his work meeting, he'll have like 500 more wish lists. Because there's definitely 500 of you out there right now. Get wish listed. Praise the quiz! Moss! Get on it. Get on it, everybody. Get on it. And also, make sure to wishlist Epic Hero Game by Clayman, the legend. Wish I can request a feature. Boom. There he is. What's happening? Why is my trailer rolling? I can't hear anything. I'm in a meeting. There you go. Request your feature. He'll read it. That's always the best. I can't shout him out because he doesn't stream, but I can show off his game. Yeah, where the hell is the... Did I not hit save? I didn't hit save? Why? Where are the stars? Where you at, stars? Let me set it to night. Maybe I'll see it better at night. Are those the stars? Look at that. There's stars. Something's funky. Oh no, that's the UI. Yeah, that's a piece of UI. I don't know why there's no stars. Makes me sad. What if I only have stars? Save. Scene. Dead of night. Computer, can you add like a pre-section before all the fighting happens? And you have to answer the question in a short amount of time before your answer gets chosen in the brawl, like some sort of algorithm to find if that prompt is the right answer to some premeditated question baked in the game. I don't even think I understand what you're asking. Yeah, I don't even know what you mean by that. Okay, I want to do this. Let's sample a regular texture and see what happens. So if I make like a noise, right? Create node, noise, Voronoi. We'll just plug this into base color. And cell density will make it nice and dense. This is what I want to see. No, it's doing the same thing as before. Okay. It's doing a very strange, like, front projection. And then what if I put a file, like a texture? Create node, texture 2D, sample texture 2D. And we'll just put in like literally anything. Just click something, Andrew. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just click something, Andrew. It does. All right, we'll do the eyebrows. Okay. So now, look at that. Wait, it's doing the same thing. It's just got, wait, actually it's doing even weirder stuff? I don't even know what it's doing. Looks like I'm not gonna be able to texture anything. Yo, Clay, thank you for the streak. Text message, please ignore. Never. I will never ignore you. Do you make your own sound effects, Booyah? No way. I gotta find a better sound effects pack. I can't do sound. All right, well, that was a big failure. I'm not gonna be able to add clouds unless Unless, oh, why don't I just make a giant sphere and put clouds on it? What the hell's wrong with me? Why didn't I just do that to begin with? Why didn't I do that to begin with? Oh my god. All right, so sky. I need a cloud map. Do I have a cloud? Let's see, cloud. I have a cloud image. Cloud mask. Clouds. Day. Sky day. No, sky day. No. I know there was an image that it was good. Yo, Alex, how's it going today? It's going good. It's going all right. Just going slow, nice and slow. Classic trees. Where was it? It was in some pack. It was in pure. Was it in pure? Nature. Fantasy adventure. Shaders? URP? Nah. Was it in... I'm pretty sure it was in here. Why is it in here? Source? Nah. Pure nature. Let's try this one. Materials. Where the hell are the materials? Shaders. Clouds. Yeah, where are you? Who's using you? Textures. Clouds. How are these? What is this? Cloud sunset. What are these things? I'm gonna use them. Maybe? Sphere. If I put... What is this shader? I don't understand. Cloud sunset. Maybe I'll have to go into a... Yeah, some one of these demo scenes. There's no other way to see what it does. I mean, it doesn't look like they're clouds. Here's a cloud prefab. Oh, look at that. What? It's volume clouds? Really? I mean, they're gorgeous. I wonder how heavy they are. Volume samples. 1. 2. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. Why are they doing that? 100. I feel like it's too realistic for me. How dare you steal Tier Oaken's game? Is this the same asset pack he was flying around? It is, isn't it? Oh, that's so funny. What are we looking at? This is an asset pack called Pure Nature. I like these clouds. Should I use them? So it looks like it uses these materials. So night, Overcast, skybox, storm, sunset, gorgeous, swirly. I'm gonna use this. Environment manager. Grass render distance. It doesn't even do anything. Show wind. All right, we're gonna yoink it. We're gonna yoink it. And if things go poorly, what I could do is just turn it on for cutscenes and turn it off during the game. Main game. I'll use them all. I'll need overcast for when it rains. And I'll use swirly every other time. Because swirly is fun. And course scene. Does it go in course scene? I think so. How big is it? It's huge. Is it infinite? Oh, no, it's not infinite. It's not infinite, but it might be all. This might be all I need. I wonder. Whoa. I wonder if I don't see it, it like is bad. Negative. Can I put it like right above us? Which one is main? Core or main? So main game scene is the inn, which is the starting scene. And then core is filled with like the UI and the player and all the NPCs. So if I remove main game scene, right? Remove scene or unload scene. There's nothing here. The game can't run with just the core. But if it can't run with just the level either. But it's like I have levels with terrain and stuff in them, and then the core is separate with the NPCs, the player, the UI, the lighting, and a couple of other things. So I'm gonna put clouds in lighting. This is cool. This is a cool little discovery. Also, did you create your character models? Yes, I had a friend do a sculpt of a base mesh, and then I retopoed it, and I made like the face, the hair, and the clothing, though, that's from a pack. I didn't make all the hair. All right, so now these clouds are a little strange. Volume. Oh, does it need to be 1,000? 10,000? I make it. Whoa. All right, it needs to be, yeah, bigger than 1,000. Oh, that's 1,000 in the air. 500? Rotated 90. Needs that. All right, I'm just learning it right now. So clouds swirly. Let's look at all the other ones. Sunset. Storm. Overcast. Night. Clouds cloudy. It's a pretty one. Can I have less samples than that though? Yeah, 50, 40, 30, 20, 40. 40 was the magic number. I do wish that I would rather have like an HDR though. I could probably take a screenshot of this and make it my HDR. And if I make this, oh, 2. Does this thing cast shadows? I hope not. It seemed to affect the lighting a little. All right. Let's see what that looks like. I don't know. I don't know what this is going to do to the game. I might have to kill it. I don't use big assets like this often from packs. Like this is kind of a big thing. The characters remind me of that one game called Suck Up. I never heard of that one. One where you're being a vampire having to convince an AI to let you in their house. Wait, where are the clouds? Where are they? Wait. They're there. And if I hit equals, oh, were we just not like, were they just not visible because this was the camera? Let's make it like 5, 50, 100, 500. Very strange. Okay, there it is. Also, why is that giant tree there now? Seems to be completely random. It's not respecting the seed value. All right. This ain't gonna work because the trees can't the clouds can't reach the horizon because it's trying to be super realistic where it's just going off into the distance. But I have a visible horizon. So I kind of need it to be spherical. Let's see if I can find a cloud HDR. Cloud layer HDR. Images. Cartoon clouds HDR. Ooh. Is this an HDR? Doesn't look like it. Cartoon clouds panorama. I might have to give up on the clouds again. What if I make my own? Okay, what if I make my own? Let's hop into Maya. I'm going to try and make my own real quick. Maya. I'm going to make my own cloud layer. I'm going to see how it goes. Why are pause menus so hard? I just fixed like 3 pause menu bugs. Yo, pause menus are the worst. Pausing a game is so hard. People don't realize how hard it is to pause a game. You have to make the game stop. How do you make the game stop? You have to tell every object in the game to stop what you're doing. There's this asset pack in the store that's called Free Toon Skies. Let's check it out. Let's check it out. Asset store. Oh god, flashbang. Maya. Sorry. Jesus Christ, Maya. Bad Maya. New. Bad Maya. God. Toon Skies. Yo, practical NPC. What is up? Good morning? You're up early. Chilling? Nice. I just want the clouds. Pretty sure you can control it too. I mean, I like these clouds. $11 for those though. No, this is a whole like environment. I don't need that. Anyone who has not or is not aware of Practical NPC, please give them a follow and wishlist Memori. I'm very excited to play it. I want to play it. I got to play Megabat, the Memori clone, and that was cool. How's Devin coming along? It's good. It's good. I'm trying to shoot a new trailer, so I'm trying to spruce up the place. Beautiful skies too. $43. That means it's good, right? Super high quality stylized skybox for Unity. Yo. How high quality? It's not the right style for me. It is gorgeous though. That is gorgeous. Not the right style. Simple sky gradient shader. That's what I just made. Do you got clouds though? No? This is what I just made for $5.49. I'll give it to everyone for free if they want. Stylized HDR skies. What you got? It's kind of the same. Toony skies. This one's free. That is nice. Check them out here. Oh god. Oh god, I'm so sorry. I got dark mode on. It's still flashbanging. So these are different these are just images. But maybe I can isolate some clouds. Maybe. Let me grab the images and maybe I can isolate the clouds and use them. Otherwise, I'm about to make my own. Yeah, so these didn't work. It's cool. This is a cool asset, though. It's not right for me, though. Also, I think this might be too bright. Oh, no. Not again. Discard. Sky Dome. Ah, there we go. I don't know why that happens sometimes. And this is what the sky looks like. It's just a little too bright. All right, hopefully that makes a difference. The photo system looks so good. What photo system? In this? Okay, it's not as blinding. Ooh, there's a moment here where it's a little gray. From yellow. Oh, it's from yellow to this. Whatever. All right, let's check out. Let's see if I can isolate those clouds and get them in here. Package manager. Where you have to identify things. Oh, yeah. Thank you. Am I logged in? Open in Unity. Open in Unity. Yo, what's up, Datalon? The logo makes the game look like Alpine Lake. You're not the first person to say that. But it is rare. There was one other person that said that. It was Cog. I was trying to write a screenshot thing yesterday, but I can't get it performant. What part of it can't you get performant? Like the actual writing of the JPEG or writing of the PNG? I have a whole screenshot system in the game, but I kind of took it out because I didn't know what to do with it. And I didn't want you to be able to fly the camera wherever you want. All right, I think I need to restart Unity. Just storing it into a render texture to memory takes too much processing. Oh, well, yeah. Especially since I need to do it every N frames since I'm trying to do a video recorder. Oh, then yeah. If it's just one image in my mind, I was like, that doesn't sound so bad. But if you're going to do a video, then I don't know how to scale stuff. So instead of 4K image, you'd do 720p only. Yeah, that sounds complicated. Okay, while this is loading, I just want to try something. Let's do a little mash. Or you know what? I'll just... If that's a cloud... Mister, how can you afford this program? You mean Maya? It's $250 a year. Also, I have a job. I kind of want to re-topo it. Can I just do this? Re-topo. Cannot find... Where is it? I know it's here somewhere. Wow, that actually did a great job. And edit mesh, mesh, remesh. That's what I need. There we go. And then soften. So like there's a cloud, right? Do some retopology and it looks good. Yeah. So I'm gonna not use the same cloud over and over again, but I mean, this is basically what I want. Whoa. Pretty much. I just need a bunch of shapes. I'm wondering if I can just get a bunch of low poly cloud shapes without having to make a bunch. Does Unity have that? Do I have that? Do I have any cloud models? Cloud big? Wait, I do? Let's say mesh. I have a ton of meshes. What? Mesh carrier cloud. I have all these clouds. SM cloud. I have all these clouds. Let's go to prefabs. Prefabs. What do they look like? Oh, this is perfect. Oh, I like these. Stink cloud? No, 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 no. These are the winners. These are the winners. I might just drop these in the game. What do you think of that? What if I just dropped them in the game? Then they'll get the lighting. Then they'll get the proper lighting. What? The only thing I don't like is the low poly look. So I'll fix that. And then these, they don't need animators. Remove. Oh, the music. All right, this is the winner. I'm just gonna use pieces of Geo. Done. Cloud 1, 2, 3, model. So normals, no, calculate them. Apply. Perfect. Actually, let's, yeah. I'm not gonna, but this is 3 clouds. This ain't one. What I need to do though is design them. You could use a particle system. It's really great for things 3D. I use it for shell casings and other debris. Beebly, how's it going? Welcome in. Yeah, sorry for the ads. I need a guide. I need a guide. Let's make a sphere. Sphere, sphere, sphere. Okay. Let's see what this looks like. What kind of clouds are you going for? White fluffy ones. Let's play the cutscene. Cutscene, cutscene, cutscene. Where you at? That's kind of fine. It's kind of fine. Actually, you know what? I'm going to double them up. Make these a little bigger. Make these a little taller. Let's keep this in the corner. Whoa. No, 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 no. Don't move that. I wanted to move the clouds. Yeah, there we go. How lovely clouds. Thanks. We just need something subtle. Doesn't need to be complicated. It's a little weird. They're a little weird. Still doesn't feel right. All right, so there's this cutscene. Also, the material on them. The material's a little bright. Emission. Yeah, let's lower the emission. And then they're like defaulting to blue. I guess they should. But a different blue, yeah. You don't want any metallic. So when the lighting changes, I thought you wanted clouds to cast shadows in the ground for gameplay sections. I did. I have a test of that, but I can't figure out how to get soft shadows. I can only get hard shadows. Like I have this. This music is kind of. This music is kind of. Let's go to this one. Yes. So I have this cloud system, cloud layer. If I uncheck it, you can see it creates these interesting shapes on the ground, which is cool, but I couldn't figure out how to get them to be soft. Like I wanted gradients. I don't want just like a hard edge cloud. They're a little too much. So I tabled that. We can go for the Alpine Lake OST if you've made one yet. I don't have like a playlist of all the Alpine Lake. Let me see what these look like in game. I might want to bring them into Maya and up-res them a bit. I don't like the way the normals look here. Whoa. Why are they bright yellow? Why are they bright ass yellow? What? This is what they look like. Game. This is what they should look like. This looks good. Yeah, these look good. Lighting. Yeah, Animexia, how's it going? Is the bicycle calling bell implemented already? Nah. But you always get the bike back. You always get it back. This is what it should look like. Beebly. Thank you for the follow. I'm back. What did I miss earlier? Goozy was requesting a feature. Welcome back. Camera doing effect stuff. Yeah, it could be. Let's see. So this is my gameplay. Nope. What up, Jeff? Woo! All right, hit once. And then, yeah, let's see what camera effect is doing it. If I turn off effects, if I turn off post-processing, not it. Is it draw distance? What if I bring them closer? What if I make this 1, 1, 1? What? 1, 1, 1. They don't even move. Wait, why is 0.1, 0.1, 0.1? Oh, are they static? They're probably static. Yeah, they're static. Okay, they're not gonna move. The beard guy is you, in-game character? Nah. URP is kind of weird. Yeah, it's being a little weird right now. Let's make sure these aren't static so I can move them around. All right, if I turn off post-processing, yeah, it stays. If let's scale them in. Look at that, you can see the shading now. If I scale them down. Ooh, and they cast shadows, which I actually don't want. But yeah, now you can see it. It's like, as you scale them away, look at that, they just go straight yellow. Isn't that weird? And why yellow? Is it because the sunlight? No, it's not because of the sun. Why are they yellow? What about the cloud itself? The cloud is blue. I like the yellowish cloud somehow. Looks cozy. I like these. This is cool. If it's just this amount of yellow, that's fine. It's just when it's like straight yellow. I don't know. I want them. I mean, I do want them to be white when it's this time of day. What's going on with you guys? Emission. What if I turn off emission? Whoa, whoa. Okay. I'm changing the material and they're not even changing. What? Oh, I have camera fog. I have fog in the game. It's the fog. The colors, dude. The colors. It's the fog. All right. Oh, sorry. Darkwood, late to join the stream today. How's it been? It's been okay. We've been going slow and steady. Slow and steady. We just praised the quiz. Sorry, I've been I feel burnt, so if I'm missing your messages, I really apologize. They'll always stay yellow. Yeah, so it's definitely this fog. How do I make them not be affected by the fog? Is that an option? Cast shadows off. Well, all right, let me see. Cast shadows off. Contribute to global illumination. No. Additional settings. Dynamic occlusion. I mean, yeah, sure. Light layer. It has nothing to do with it. Light probes. Is it a material option maybe? Receive shadows. No. Specular highlights. Nope. Environment reflections. No. Detail. What if it's unlit? What if I do an unlit shader? Let me just test something. Unlit. Look, it's unlit black, but it's still being white. Slow going is still going. Use unlit shader for the clouds. Yeah, it's still pure white. And then when I bring them in, they're the right color. So let me see if there's a way to make an object not affected by fog. Unity, object, remove from fog. Remove from environment fog. Ignore fog on specific object. Are there any other ways of disabling fog from a specific object using scripts? I tried fog mode off for my shader, but with no luck. A workaround could be to render this object with a new camera. No, I'm not doing that. I'd rather not have clouds. Actually, I'm using a second camera to display 3D objects in the GUI. I did this. Okay. The only thing I can think of is to literally take this layout into Maya and render it. Also, can I turn on fog here to test? And then let's grab that cutscene. Yeah, okay, it looks like I can do it without hitting, excuse me, without hitting play mode. So that's simulating the fog, right? I love how the past 30 minutes has just been about clouds. Clouds are important. Clouds are important. Now, these clouds are probably not that important, but shader of this material does not support skybox rendering. Well, I'm finally getting this error. I wasn't getting it before. Pick up the pace? No. It's not how we roll here. We go nice and slow today. I'm willing to remove the fog. It's like kind of not being used. Barely. What if I make like a sprite render cloud? What if I literally like do this? This is crazy. Wait, I can't just drag and drop it into the scene. No, don't assign it as a texture. Bring it in as like a sprite object. There we go. Do you think that sprite objects are affected by look at that. Sprite objects not affected. Okay. So yeah. I'm going to bring this, but then it won't get lighting. Damn. If it's a sprite object, it won't receive lighting unless it has a normal map. Can a sprite object receive lighting? Like sprite renderer. So, I mean, there's a rendering layer mask. If Alpine Lake releases, I'd be tormenting every single NPC. You wouldn't be the first. I guess you can get to this cutscene in all weather. I just want the clouds to work in all weather. This particular cutscene is always the same, but once the game starts, I never know when you'll trigger any other cutscene. So that's why it needs to be pretty dynamic. So the sprite thing can work. The sprite thing can work. I'm going to bring these clouds into Maya, do a quick render, and then I'll bring that back. And maybe that'll be okay. I wish this would just work. Let me keep Googling, actually. Maybe there was a way. These posts are all from 2010. Oh, wait. Wait, did this work? I tried adding it and that fixed the problem. Okay, so someone actually found a fix. Excluding objects from fog. Oh my god, how many links deep is this? So this is code you can put fog mode off. So fog mode off, shader graph, Unity. Oh, here we go. Okay. I found something. Let's try it. Let's make a new shader. I think I might have found it. Materials. Create shader. Standard surface shader. We'll call this clouds. Cloud. I don't know, whatever. Clouds. Oh, whoops. No. URP shader. Get out of here. Get out of here. Yo, Tier Oaken. I'm assuming your account is now 3 days old. Welcome in. How are you? People were calling me out just now because I was flying around the same asset pack that you were flying around when we raided you yesterday. You've said multiple times now that you're super worn out, especially after the intense day yesterday. I just want to thank you for providing us computer. It's all good. You're hanging out with me too. This isn't just me providing anything. We're all hanging out. Finally managed to figure out phone stuff. Yeah. So you didn't actually need. So my settings are, if the account is less than 3 days old, it requires a phone verification. If it's more than 3 days old, then just email is fine. But now, yeah, I don't get spam botted anymore. The Balmers? No, I was flying around the Pure Nature. Pure Nature. Right now I'm trying to figure out the best way to put clouds in the game. And I think we got it. Shader graph, URP, lit shader. Here we go. Clouds. Cloud layer shader. What is that? I don't even know. I don't care. So clouds are. What is that? Welcome to the Discord, Goozy. End tier. At the same exact time. What are the odds? Oh, you clicked that. Also, click that. Well, let's all wishlist Alpine Lake while we're at it. Gotta do my daily wishlist check. Nah, they didn't update yet. All right, so what is this line of code that I just found? I just found this. You put a disable fog custom function in here. I'm going to move this to the side so I can read it. Create node. Custom function. And I don't want to put a file. I just want to put a string. Unity fog params equals half 4 0.0 0.0 0.0 oops 1.0 and then out equals in. This is called disable fog. Perfect. It needs an in and an out that are floats. In, out. Is that it? And then we plug this. Why is it plugged into metallic? Apparently this is already on the roadmap, but this post was in 2017. So long ago. All right, let's see if this works. Have to unwish list and wish list again? No, don't do that. Don't do that. Who knows what that does to the algorithm? Probably pisses it off. So let's put it. Oh, wait, float. Wait, why is it a float? I don't understand. Do you just plug it in anywhere? Let me just make a color. Make it a parameter. Save. I don't think this is going to work. That seemed sus. And I'd never use that word. Let's put our new clouds in there. Create material. Where you at? Where you at? Where you at? Material. Clouds. Did that work? No. Wait. Yes? Yes or no? Yes, it worked or no? It totally worked. Wait a minute. Did that totally work? Or did that not work at all? Now I'm just confused. Wait. I can't tell if that worked or not. So if I go back to the other material, right? Cloud. Polynature clouds. Oh, it totally worked. It totally worked. Wow, I can't believe that's crazy. Very surprised. Shocked. Shocked even. You just have to plug it into any random value and it just, I guess it just needs to exist somewhere in the shader calculation for it to set itself. Interesting. Wait, let me catch up on chat. Did you see this? Excluding objects from fog. Is that what was that the same thing I'm looking at? No, but we got it. We got it. Aw shucks, there isn't a dedicated place for other game devs to show their work. Goozy, there is. It's called Share Your Artwork. Post whatever you want in there. You can post it in this chat. There's a lot of new people here. First of all, if you just showed up to this stream past few days, past few weeks, whatever, and I haven't said this in the past, this is a sharing zone. If you want to show something off, just drop a link. Just make sure that link is like to a normal place and it doesn't look like a scammy place. If it looks like a scammy place, I probably won't click on it. But if it's a normal ass link, I will normal ass click on that and you can show off your stuff. And yeah, if you join the Discord, there's a place, share your artwork. You could totally post up there. Wishlist update will probably be late today because of summer sale. It's always big on slow Steam days. Oh, I didn't realize that. So don't just like constantly refresh the page. I don't know you can. I didn't know you can do actual shader coding in the shader graph. Yeah, that's awesome. It's so cool that you can do that. The shader graph is amazing. If you're not using the shader graph, you're missing out. Right now I'm vacuuming the walls. Gotta make sure they stay clean. You mean in real life? There's no input value? I don't think there has to be. I think it just needs to run somewhere. I guess the input value is 0. It must default to 0. Like it doesn't matter. Yeah. So I do want some emission. So I'm gonna do color and then I'm gonna do emission. Same thing. Emission, color. And then we'll say convert to property. Call this one emission color. Close that. Save. Scene. And I'll just give it a little bump, just because they're a little. And I will give it a little blue. Save. Save. Okay. It's better. Yeah, this is like weird. Now there's weird geometry issues that I don't like. Like, what's up with that? What is this? That's horrible. What is that? What if I just 180 degrees, apply. There we go. Okay. I like that. Smooth shading for the normals, yeah. It's because that edge was beyond 90 degrees, so it was making it hard edge. That looks nice. It looks nice. Now, does it change with the lighting? Let's check that out. Dynamic sky. If I scrub the lighting. Okay. It's almost like I want to sample this material. Should I make these cut out or a little transparent as well? That might help. Can I do that? Let's see if I can make them a little transparent. So opaque, alpha clipping. No, not alpha clipping. I want just cast shadows, receive shadows we don't need. Let's optimize this a bit. Lit. Yeah, we definitely want lit. Save. Oh, what am I missing? Are you saying video games aren't art? Wait, what? Wait, are you saying video games are art? Where did that come from? Shader graph is the reason I upgraded my editor. Then I upgraded it the second time so I can do full screen shaders or whatever you call those that affect the final image. Oh, like yeah, the layer things. I use them for shiny objects. There's a tip I know that can change global, local, center pivot modes. The binds are X and Z. Yeah, that's a good one to know. That's a good one to know. Yeah, it needs to be transparent, right? And then I need to change the alpha. Float. Convert. Property. Transparency. Oh, alpha. Oh wait, let's default that to 0.8. Oh, it's so annoying. It already compiled. Can I reset this? No. So this emission color now is kind of stupid. Just keep it white. Keep. In reference to the share your art. Oh, to share your games. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, you can share whatever you want in there. Of course, games are art. They're an expression of you. That's what art is, right? It's just self-expression. And whether or not people like that art, that's another story. I don't know. I'm not getting into the is this art debate because that's not my thing. I actually don't care. I think games are cool. Not only do I think they're art, I think they're cool. Yeah. Modern art isn't. Modern art isn't cool. All right, let's see what this looks like in game because it's going to change. And I can make these static again. They don't need to be not static. Okay. So this is an hour-long cloud thing. First hour, we got through all of our low-hanging fruit. Second hour, stupid clouds. I knew anything beyond those low-hanging fruit would take me a while. Nice. That's exactly what I want them to look like. Just subtle there. They're just there, you know? No big deal. Oh, sick. Ah, oh, with this music in the background too. Ah, oh, make me feel like I'm making a video game here. Not to get too excited about my own work. I get excited about my own work. I'm not one of those people that always thinks their own work is bad. Sometimes I'll make something, I'll be like, oh, that's sick. Yes, absolutely. Those clouds are awesome. It's just what is needed. Now, how does it look like? This is the whole moment. This is the moment where I wanted them. Okay, I need to design this moment. Because right now there's nothing. I need to design this moment. Koji Kondo fixes everything. These clouds work really well. Who's Koji Kondo? Was that the poster? www.www.one fixed everything. Whoever that is. The clouds look good. Yeah, they look good. All right. That was a good addition. That was a good addition. Also, why you're not walking. Okay. Now what? I want to design that moment to be a little lower, and I want to be able to see stuff. I want to see stuff in the town cutscene. That shouldn't be too hard. That shouldn't be too hard. Praise the clouds. All right, you've converted me back. You've converted me back. I like it. the, the praising. Town scene. Okay. I just want to also give a quick shout out. If anyone's like new to game dev and they're looking for community and they don't like know where to go and they don't know where to share their work and they're just kind of working on their own and it's difficult. Might I point you to the game dev field guide? It's actually where me and Computer and Purple Moss all kind of met. It's a fantastic community of game devs from beginners to experts, and you'll feel welcome there. The creator of Game Dev Field Guide is Zachavelli, who also streams. Shout out Zachavelli. Is it underscore Zachavelli or Zachavelli underscore? I think it's Zachavelli underscore. There he is. So you can click that follow. He started the community. He has a podcast with like 1,000 episodes. Each one is like 40 minutes of game dev topics from beginner to expert. So check out Game Dev Field Guide Discord channel. Check out the podcast for, just a good place. There you go. Thank you, Computer. Sorry, Alex, you said, in my opinion, games are an ultimate art because they include music, story, writing, visual art, which is interactive, granting receivers from a form of expression of themselves. Also, they're very cool. I agree. I do agree. Like, all forms of art go into games. If movies can be art, which I think they can be, then games can be art. Absolutely. All right. Okay, the other thing I don't like the back faces to be visible. I don't want the back faces visible. Where's that? Double-sided, global illumination, lighting. Because if I go into the object, oh, that's funny. Back faces aren't visible. We're just seeing other front faces through them. That's interesting. How do I... Is there a way to do that so that you only see one face? Let me Google that. Is there... let's see. Transparent object unity. Ignore geometry after first poly. Oh god, I don't even know how to phrase this. Ignore let's see. I posted a little silly in the Discord. Did you? Let's check it out. Ooh, look at that. Tell me about this image. There's a headless guy in the middle of a street. It's a nice sky. What are you making? Cargo ship. Testing cargo ship. Nice brick. Camera depth or something? It's not so much... It's like... I don't know how to phrase it. Like, when the ray hits the transparent object, I don't want to see anything in it. Like, I want to almost alpha clip an object and not make it transparent. Maybe it's a shader setting. Render face front, yeah. Depth right. Auto. Okay, depth test. Ooh, what is this? Never? It might be one of these, honestly. Alpha clipping, cast shadows, see shadows, fragment. Okay. It might be one of these depth tests. Let me move this off screen and just click through them all. L equals, let's say never. Save. Nope. Let's say less. Nope. Equal? Nope. L equal. L equals the default. Greater. Nope. Not equal. Nope. G equal. Nope. It's definitely not any of these. This is not the thing. Allow material overrides. No. Okay. Color mode. I think all right. I'm good. I'm good. We're just gonna leave it. We're gonna leave it. I'm gonna take the win. I'm gonna take the W. Actually, that it looks kind of good over here. It looks nice here. It doesn't look nice here. It looks no, doesn't look nice there. It only looks nice on this one. It's because the sun is in like the perfect spot. All right, we got clouds. We got clouds. Let me work on that cutscene now in main town. That's great. And do they need to be that far away? Kinda. They actually need to be a little... So every scene takes place here, here, or here. So I'll never really be outside the ring of clouds. That should be fine. Cutscenes. Cutscene. Game. Unlock. Lock. Why? Why won't you play? Oh, I have to grab tracks. Okay. So basically what I want is I want the camera to settle like here. And I want the Alpine Lake to just be right here. Okay. That's not so bad. I'm going to put this here. I don't know. It's just floating, right? Yeah, I can just move it wherever I want. So this will be nice. I'll see the tip of this tree, a cloud, the top of town square, or the top of town hall. It should be better. And then this game not out yet. It's, yo, Finn, give me 2 hours. The game will be out, released, done. Oh, I didn't realize this was so janky. Oops. Oh God, what have I done? Finn, how you doing? Finn Sifty Cat. Yeah, make sure you're all following Finn. Two hours is all he needs? Yeah, it took me 1 hour. So we got clouds now. It took me an hour to get these clouds in the game. It took me an hour to get them in the game looking correct. Good day to Irad. Yeah, what up, Irad? How's it going? Oh, you can change the keys here. Oh, I'm so stupid. I was like, how do I animate the keys here? Bam. I click that button. Oh, wait, I can't make this bigger? I can't zoom in so that this gets bigger? That's lame. I can't wait for Alpine Lake. Oh boy. Comedians. Comedians in chat getting Mountain Dew. Ooh, the rain is coming down. All right, so instead of getting all the way up here, perfect. Done. Windows and hatches, man. Windows and hatches. And then a new PCG graph. The roof in it. Ah. See, Finn gets it. Just getting excited about your own stuff. Finn gets excited too. You should have seen how excited I got when these clouds just looked correct. Yo, how's it going? Low, low. Thank you for the follow. You can make it thinner? I could. I could do a lot of things, but my brain's not there anymore. I spend weeks on the freaking logo. I'm just not ready to go back and revisit it. I'm not mentally prepared for that. I think that's all I needed to do. Boom, just that little change. So now when we zoom up, we still see some goods. Wait, I just got a gift sub to Wardstone. Shout out to Wardstone. Honestly, the window's only taking 5 hours total, and the hatch is 6. That's great for me. I should have done them sooner. Don't change the logo. Just change the game to be called Alpine Lake. There we go. So question, can you still see the back face of the shingles on the roof in the intro scene? Irad. It's so funny that you ask, because I fixed that because of you. I fixed that. I have a whole... Do you want to see the... Did I ever show you the list of notes that I took from your stream? Let me pull them up. I still have them here. Streamer playthroughs. Irad. Look at these freaking notes. Look at all these notes I took. And look at all these ones I checked off. Tree in the bedroom. I don't think I fixed that. I did my best. Oh, wait. No, I did fix that. Boom. I fixed that. He made a bed and the blanket disappeared. That, I have no idea what happened. Oh, God. I don't know. I've never seen that bug before after that happened to you. And yeah. What notes did you have from my stream? I didn't take notes because I was doing I was working. Like, while you were playing, I was working and... Oh no, it's because I was also like, I think I just fixed it on the spot. I don't remember. Only like 3 things popped up on your stream. You're like the last person to play it. No one's played it since. And I've had like, I've gone through rounds. Look at this. Adams Eunice, Helios, Practical, Risky Biscuits. Irad obviously. I got a lot of notes in before you played. You broke 2 things pretty fast. Yeah, I think I fixed them though. Dialogue can still push you into a warp trigger. That I haven't fixed. Shoot. Eugene and Jeff's dialogue needs a highlight. A quest dialogue. Required supplies. Required supplies UI doesn't clear. I was defeated. I tried to fix this and I wrote a note to myself. I was defeated. Connie! Sneaks in tired and unmotivated. No, Connie, I saw you were talking about your dog earlier. I'm really sorry. It's not fun when your dog is not well. Also, yeah, Connie. Then thank you for shouting out Connie. Everyone follow Connie. Connie needs a pick-me-up. And you know what'll help? Click on that follow button. Do it. It's the best thing you'll have done today. Oh boy, Patreon? Niche gamer, Patreon logo criticism? What? Did they change their logo? Their new logo is just like that blob. Yeah, I'm good. He doesn't stop licking the paws. No. The pants are completely ruined and took off his bandage. Ugh. I don't know, man. Windows and hatches. Connie, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. That was yesterday. Ugh. It's not fun when the dogs are not well. Ooh, it's 6:40. My dog's not begging for dinner anymore. My dog doesn't beg for dinner anymore. She's bored and sad. I don't think she has the energy to beg. Also, shout out to IRAD Dev. If you've ever wanted to be a mod in a channel and have all the power and responsibility of a mod, go check out IRAD. You'll know what I'm talking about the next time you catch him. Okay, this is nice. This is nice. Let's test it. Also, IRAD's awesome. Should have led with that. God, what's wrong with me? You should still feed the doggo? Yeah, I will. I'm just going to test this cutscene. And then I'll feed the dog, take a 2-minute break, and then we'll come back and keep checking stuff off the list. The clouds I don't like the low poly look. And I do wish that they were only one-sided pieces of geometry. But they're better than nothing. They add something to the sky. I'm going to fast forward the game, check them out at noon, and then I'll fast forward to nighttime. Okay. See what the clouds look like in the afternoon. They look great. Wow, that went to the music so well. There's like that crescendo of guitar picks as the camera was panning up. It's amazing. Perfect. All right. That looked good. And now let me check out nighttime sky. All right, it's night. Let's see what nighttime sky looks like. Ooh, I like that. I like how they stay a little bright. All right, done. You should add a nightmarish rabbit that promises to fulfill your wishes for an unspecified price. You really blew it with that typo. I almost added that to the game until you typoed. Finn, what'd you have for dinner tonight? Ooh, I love doing this. I love doing this. You ready? I really want clouds in that opening cutscene. Click. Done. Pressing cancel button in conversation should snap to nevermind. That should be easy. Let's figure out how to do that. Vegan bacon and cheeseburgers with avocado salad. Wait. Are the burgers vegan too? Or just vegan bacon? Should add a very slow rotation to the cloud parent. I could do that. I just made them static so they can't move. Thanks for that. Are you vegan or is your partner vegan? It's fine. You say her name, and I feel weird. Like I don't want to dox her, but you say her name all the time. Vegan bacon, vegan burgers, vegan cheese, vegan avocado. Wait, what's vegan avocado? No, we just like vegan stuff. All right, that's fair. I to try and be healthy, my wife and I we subscribe to like one of those meal box services. So every week we'd get like 3 dinners worth of ingredients, and it was a vegetarian or no, it was a vegan. It was a vegan box, but we're not vegans. We just thought, hey, maybe if we eat vegan dinners 3 times a week, we'll just be like slightly healthier. Vegan bacon feels like a euphemism. Oh, wait, Goozy, I just missed all your messages. You should still feed the dog. Yeah, all right. I'm gonna feed the dog right now. So I'm not gonna add the rotation because they're static. But I do like the rotation idea. I'll think about it. You should G equal change the name to Landlord Sim 2023. No, 2024. All right. I am gonna go feed the doggy. I can dox Andrew. My hacker abilities let me fetch the name from his about description. Yo, what the hell, man? Come on, Dario. All right, I'll be right back. I am going to feed the doggy. I'm going to stretch. I might use the bathroom. I don't know. I encourage you all to do the same. I almost just went to hit the stop stream button instead of the be right back screen. All right, be right back. All right, we're back. Hello, back. I'm Connie. Nice to meet you, Connie. I was wondering, what does Steam think of using it as a deployment platform for testers until a demo is done? Do they have a maximum time a game can use the backend before it must be put on display? No, once you pay, I mean, honestly, you pay the $100 doing testing. That's much less intense than a released game. So I'm sure they'd love a game that never releases. Should fix that light. Which light? Jacuzzi. Yeah, you said something earlier about a light, right? I think I read it, but I didn't read it out loud. They can be really helpful in that respect if you needed to. You mean Steam? This bug? Oh, yes. Yes. So that's on my list. That's on my list. Pressing cancel button in conversation. I'll skip that one for now. So that's on the hard stuff. I mean, that's an easy one to do, but it's basically revamping Paul's property entirely. But I think we've reached the end of the stream. I'm gonna wind down and find someone to raid. Please stick around for the raid. I'll get to the rest of this stuff tomorrow. Where should we go? Is anyone lurking in Wardstone right now? Is he ending? Irad, thanks for hanging out. Let me put the credits on. And let's raid Wardstone. I hope he doesn't end this time. I'm just afraid he's gonna end. Don't end your stream. Also, we need to get some credits going. We need to get some credits going. Quick! Quick! Roll them credits! Thank you all for hanging out with me today while we got some stuff done. Lolo, Tirokin, Beebly, Bixia, and Emo Giraffe. Thank you for the follows. Finn, thanks for modding. Let's go say hi to Wardstone. Hopefully he doesn't end his stream. And yeah. Take it easy, everyone. Peace. Be back. I'll be back tomorrow. Tomorrow, early morning. 12 hours from now. 12 hours from right now, I'll be back.